In this sublesson, we're going to explore the structures within a PBX file and review the relationships between those structures. Okay, so all along we've been working with the sales datamart.pbx file, and that file has contained a number of structures. It contained dataset, report, pages, and then visualizations on each one of those pages. And there was a relationship between all of these. Within the actual report itself, you had pages, and you could put 0 or many visualizations on a particular page. And you could have anywhere between 1 and many pages in a report. And each one of those visuals could only pull data from the data set that you have within the actual PBX file. So what we're going to see next here is we're going to take this PBX file in the next lesson and publish it into the Power BI service, and we're going to see that the data set and report are actually broken apart from the PBX file during the publish process. Okay, so that's it for this particular sublesson right here. This was just a quick walkthrough of what the structures look like within a PBX file, how they relate together, so that when we get into the Power BI service, we have better context for how this was all built up.